Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file BIR Form 1701Q online using an easy method. We will cover understanding the form, preparing your documents, and navigating the electronic filing systems. This guide aims to simplify the process, ensuring you can complete your quarterly income tax return efficiently and accurately. By following these steps, you will save time and avoid common errors, making your tax compliance straightforward. Before you begin, gather all your financial records for the quarter, including income, expenses, and deductions. Next, confirm that your BIR Forms package is the most current version. Updates are crucial for accuracy. Also, keep your taxpayer identification number, or TIN, and other registration details handy. Proper preparation ensures a smooth and error-free filing experience, saving you valuable time later on. Once your documents are ready, open the BIR Forms package and choose Form 1701Q from the list. Carefully input all your financial data into the corresponding fields, double-checking each entry for accuracy. After completing the form, click the Validate button. This step is vital as it identifies any missing information or calculation errors, helping you correct them before submission. After validating your form, click the Submit button to send it to the BIR. You will then receive a confirmation email or message. Save this as your official proof of filing. If there is any tax due, proceed to pay it through an authorized payment channel, such as a bank or online facility, before the deadline. Congratulations, you have successfully filed your quarterly income tax return.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.